welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first video, and I'm going to show you how I make paper squishies. And to start off, I have paper, scissors, markers, and tape. And I'm going to put this to the other paper to the side for right now, because I'm going to use it later. And I'm making a chip bag. So I think I'm going to make Talkies. So I'm just going to start off with coloring the whole piece of paper, trying not to get any white spots. The next step is to tape it. After you're done coloring, you're going to want to tape it so that way it doesn't rip or anything while you're squeezing it. And it's okay if you get white spots while you were coloring, because it's for you or a friend and they won't mind, or you won't mind. But you could try and color the whole thing. Now I'm going to pause the camera, so bye. And now that I'm done taping it, I'm going to tape it to the back part, but I haven't taped it to yet. And you don't have to tape the back part, like I'm not going to, because I don't want this video to be that long. So I'm just going to put tape like this. So I'm going to grab my tape and put it, half of it, down the side. And then I'm going to pick up this up and I'm going to fold it over. And I'm going to do that only to three sides. And I'm going to pause the video right now. And now I'm going to stuff it and then tape the top. I'm not going to pause it this time because we're almost done. I'm just going to take tissues and then put it in. I would shred it up, but I just don't really want to. And yeah. And if this happens, I'm just going to fold it back over. And I'm just going to fill it. And then I'm going to put one more. When you think it's, you have one more to stuff it, just put two more in. And then when you think you have one more, put no more. Because then you don't want it to be really full or anything. So yeah, and I'm just going to do this and then put the tissue inside and fold it. And then I'm going to tape it in this little area here. And I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess tape, which would be here. It's not going off. There and here. And now I'm just going to take some excess tape that might still be there and tape it back. And boom, there you have it. A paper squishy that's pretty slow rising. I hope you enjoyed my first video on YouTube. So yeah, go check out my other channel, which is called Gracie Boyle. I have 2 videos uploaded on there, and I'm also probably going to film one today or tomorrow for that channel. And yeah, bye-bye!